tiny. Yeah, it's fine. Be fine.
Will the scroll be carried over? Will the days be always the same? From the babe to the rambling rover, we were all of us covered in shame. It's a strange life we strive to make in the wake of our sweet early days. It's a strange old life as it twists and breaks. He's mad who is not insane. And they say that our geese have gone over the water, and they've carried our best chance away. No, nowhere neath the stars will we know what we are till we're lying asleep in our grave. Well, the first time ever I saw your face, I sailed away from one hell till I touched down in some greener place where the people might know me right well. But by the second day I'd had enough. For those people were uglier still, and I turned my heart to that homeward turf to die on some comelier hill, and wither I will. Still my bonnie lies over the ocean, but I've buried my head in the sands that stretch out between all the unrealized dreams that are shivering like mice in my hands, that are shivering like mice in my hands. Thank you. This song is called Blvd Saint-Denis, and it's in the key of D major. Right, get it out, and then shut up. Love the outfit. You look amazing, guys. If these thoughts, they mean nothing, babe, these words, they mean less. Put your money where your mouth is. Put your hands up my dress. Drink to the poor boy's health. Pray don't end himself before his love comes back to him. Throw my bones into the agony of the Blvd Saint-Denis. Pay no mind to the rising flood there. Just let it carry me. Drink to your own damn hell. Try not to before your love comes back to you. Remember your words. I don't care what you do, as long as you do it to me. Were you really born such a fool, babe? Well, now that you ask if I'm still here, it's only because of you, darling. Don't that sound like a crock to you? Many times I've sat and wondered, babe, what it is that pins us down. You came to me like a stray with your dead birds, what I found. Drink to the great dawn. Try not to kill ourselves before our love comes back to just let me lie and dream. Forget the dark machine until my love comes comes back to me. Thank you. You can come in a bit if you want. This song is called Ivy and it's to the tune of Lord of All Hopefulness by Liam Toon. No, by a Catholic monk. Are you a Catholic monk, Liam? Yeah, you've got too much hair for that. Join the dark side, bish. I woke up this morning in Camberwell town. I stared at the blind till the sun went back down. As God is my witness, I'll never be free until I'm the man I can't be asked to be. You'll find me here drinking from my favorite cup. The better you bastards to shovel it up. And when I am hungry, I gorge till I cry. No heroes never die. I've walked in green gardens all covered in bloom. I've had my eurekas in the Rembrandt room. I threw all my pennies at a sparrow's grave. I put my despair to the chisel and laid. And now I'm returning from so far away to find I've gone nowhere. I've nothing to say, but still out of nothing like ivy I crawl. No heroes never die. Now she's on fire in the afternoon sun. Hold fast, my boys. Destiny's child on a clock radio. Hold fast, my boys. lost as you are, no bones left to cast. Hold fast, my boy, you'll never be free. It's good news at last. Hold fast, my boy.
Thanks so much. This next song is called I Want You For My Own, and it's about people owning each other like dogs, but in a nice way.
I want you for my own, baby, to lay on you my brute unbending clay, wrap you in my dreams and take you walking on a shining silver chain. Will I scream and cry, cross my heart and hope to die, but you run from me so totally, like smoke into the sky. I'll call you on the phone, darling, oh there is nothing left that I can say. If they only knew what I was thinking, they'd put me straight away, but they don't. And so to the city I will go, where you pay someone to spit on you, and the gentle river flows. I left you in the lurch to the next unblinking day. Waded through a turgid mire to have you, then I threw it all away. I want a thing to do, say I love you, sure I do, but I can't help what I'm not, and what I cannot do. I want you for my own, darling, to make on you my sad capricious mark. But you are like a chip and fire in heaven, and I'm just staggering in the dark. Yes, I am. Thank you.
Baloo. What
I'm going
next?
to do two small ones.
Which one next? Okay.
It's not finished yet. Who's fucking buzzing about the rising of the worm moon? Whatever that is. This is a Scottish folk song. A Scottish folk song that requires somber no laughing behind it. Baloo, my boy, lie still and sleep. It grieves me sore to hear thee weep. If thou be silent, I'll be glad. Thy moaning makes my heart full sad. Baloo, my boy, thy mother's joy. Thy father bred me great annoy. Baloo, 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 loo lee lee loo. Of thee I keep my lonely watch, intent thy lightest breath to catch, and when thou wakes to see thee smile, and thus my sorrow to beguile. Baloo, my boy, thy mother's joy, thy father bred me great annoy. Baloo, Baloo, lie still and sleep. It grieves me sore to hear thee weep. 12 weary months have crept away since he upon thy natal day left thee and me to seek afar a bloody fate in doubtful war. Baloo, my boy, lie still and sleep. It grieves me sore to hear thee weep. If thou be silent, I'll be glad. Thy moaning makes my heart full sad. I dreamed a dream but yesternight, thy father slain in foreign fight. The wounded stood beside the bed. His blood ran down upon thy head. He spoke no word, but looked on thee, bent low and gave a kiss to thee. Baloo, Baloo, my darling boy, thou'rt now alone, thy mother's joy. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much for having me. This has been Painted Bird. And one more round of applause for Vida, Prana, Paddy and Miranda for their poetry drone set. This night's been put together so professionally well, in a lovely manner. It's almost as if it wasn't organised on the tube 1.5 weeks ago. Goodbye. Feathers on your eyelids, flies about the wound, rain fall in the courtyard of this 20th century too. Pilgrims on the hillsides, dying on the cheap. Daddy's gone, Cleveland's cold, and baby will not sleep. Make me a charming rover, I'll swallow up the world. I'll raise you for Fukushima, Nagasaki, Chernobyl. Oh, my heart is like a chain gang shuffling down the line, away from all the wonders I used to think were mine. Checking out the back way, blessed astral plane, solids melt to nothing, each sacred thing profane. Now up above the districts, fire in the air. Wait for me a moment, babe, as I pause upon the stair. Make me a charming rover, I'll defecate the world. I raise you polyethylene, you little boys and girls. My heart is like a chain gang shuffling down the line, away from all away from all the beauty I used to think was mine. Thanks, good night. Maisy Banks.